And now you can see that Java has successfully installed on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and choose close. And that's the first step that I needed to do. The second step that I needed to do is to install the Android Developer Tools bundle, or the ADT bundle. And there's a link again on the lesson text in order to provide you to this link, the developer.android.com/SDK/index.html. We can go ahead and download it straight from Google's website or the Android.com website. And there's the link for it. Download the SDK ADT bundle for Windows. I'll go ahead and click on that. And again, I need to choose whether or not I'm using a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Currently use 64-bit, and you must agree to the license terms. I will go ahead and click on that and then choose to download. And now after the file has downloaded, again you can choose either to run it from, actually we need to extract this file. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just close my browser as I no longer need it and return back to the downloads folder. There we go. And so I can't actually run this particular file. It's a zipped up compressed archive. So what I'll need to do is right click on it and choose to extract it. And I'll go ahead and hit extract. Now that the file is extracted, I'm almost done. Just one word of caution. Do not open the folder and run any of the applications, especially the Eclipse application, from the downloads folder. And the reason for that is because when you do run this, it's going to create a hidden folder for you that actually is going to keep some of your configuration settings. And you don't want to move it and then have to try to find that hidden folder and move that as well. So before you actually run any of the applications in there, go ahead and move it to the location you want. Now I typically do not like to put things on my desktop, and you can see here, even though it's a default installation, there's nothing on my desktop. What I want to do is probably create some kind of location either in my home folder for the user or somewhere else to put this so that I don't accidentally delete it, and it's easy enough for me to get to often so that I can keep running my Android application. So what I'll do is just go ahead and navigate over to, let's go ahead and go to computer, C drive, my users folder, that's me, and then go ahead and go to, actually just move it right here. So I'll go ahead and drag that folder over and just drop it in my username folder. Now if you do use Windows 7, I do not like the fact that your favorites does not contain your home folder. So what you can just do is right click on favorites and go ahead and choose add current location to favorites. Every time you open up the File Explorer, you'll find there's your home folder right there. And then you can find the Android ADT bundle. And if I double click this, double click that, there's Eclipse. And let's go ahead and run Eclipse. I'm going to go ahead and choose run. And you can see already that Eclipse is currently running with the Android Developer Tools already installed. And I'm going to go ahead and choose OK for the workspace for right now. And I'll go ahead and just go ahead and hit choose finish. And it doesn't matter to me if Google gets my usage statistics. So I'll just go ahead and hit finish there. And we are now ready to begin developing our own applications.